The user need to create an account first before logging into the system. Fill all the fields with correct credentials of the users. After creating an account, the users will wait for the approval of the admin. After entering admin credentials, it will go directly to the dashboard UI. In dashboard, the admin can see all the totals and the graphs. In officers page, this is the list of officers that are waiting to be approved, reject, or delete by the admin. For officer account, they can create or submit a new report, and it will save in My Reports table. For officer dashboard, they can see all the totals and the recent violations and AI readings for the last 7 days. Click Submit Report button and then select a type of report and describe. And also put the location. Select a violation type. And if it's speeding, then input or enter the speed and also the plate number of the vehicle. Select a vehicle type and also provide a proof of evidence and then submit report button. Let's log in the admin account again. In reports page, the admin can see all the reports of the officers. In violations page, the admin can see all the lists of violations. In AI readings page, the admin can see here the list of violations that comes from AI camera. While in categories page, the admin can see and manage the list of categories based on violations or incident type. Admin can also add new categories.